Before we get started, I want to invite you to something that's coming up. On the 26th of this month, we're having a church council meeting where we'll be discussing the possible name change of our church from Abiding Harvest Church to Crosswind Church. And it's not just an esoteric thing. It's really a part of seizing a new chapter in our church's life. About 3 years ago, we disaffiliated from the United Methodist Church, and we are redefining, reclaiming our identity and going to project it well to our community so that those who might be drawn to a church family like that will know accurately who we are. And so we really feel like the best years of our life are really in front of us, not behind us. And that's almost hard to believe, as rich as God's blessings have been over the last 20 years that this church has existed here. But I truly believe that. And, my wife is at a shower this morning, the shower for our future daughter-in-law. We've got two sons. One got married in July. The next one's getting married September 20. And since it was in Oklahoma City, she had to leave early to get there and all that kind of stuff. You know how that stuff goes. But I'm hoping that the parents-in-law, as grieving as it may be for them to sense that their daughter will soon have a new name, that they truly believe that that's just going to be a signal of the best years of her life to come, right? Changing your name doesn't change who you are, but it signals a new chapter. And we're excited about what that's going to mean. Some of the details of that new look, just esoterically around here. We're about to do a lot of renovations throughout the church and so forth, which will be in keeping with all of this. We're about to start doing ministries in different ways and more effective ways than we ever have before. And all that's part of a change from the inside out as we try to not only grow up ourselves in the Lord in this place, but also make an impact in our community, driving more of our family and friends into this place for what God's had going on here for many, many years. So I hope you'll be there on the 26th. Specifically, if you've got any concerns about the name change, I think you'll hear a lot of the why of why we're doing this there. And even though the council is the top administrative body in our church for making decisions, they will be the ones that are voting because they've been duly elected to represent us in that way. But everybody is welcome to be there and be a part of the discussion, okay? So if you'd like to be there, know that we'd love to have you. August 26th, 7 o'clock, right here in the sanctuary.